We are pleased to show you the 2018 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.